Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about this patricia-Reynier Go 24. I'm not making a review about it. No, I'm not. I can't tell you that I can do this or not. No, I already make a review about the shea butter and I make a review about the carrots, but today I just received this patricia-Reynier Go 24, so I have not used it before. So I said, okay, I'll make a video about it and also come back to this my channel to give an update about it. If it does it really worth it or not, does it does exactly what they said it does, is it really that virtual as they said? So I will come back to this my channel and give an update in 3 to 1 month's time and give an update. So please subscribe to my channel to get an update about it, and also leave a comment down below if you have any question about this range. Also, you can notice here that I ordered the argan glycerin on it. Yes, the reason why I got the argan glycerin on it is this Go 24, they don't have the glycerin yet. No, they don't have it. They only have the lotion, serum, soap and the face tube. That is only what they have in this Go 24. So if you see any Go 24 glycerin out there, it's not original, it's fake. Any gold glycerin from patricia-Reynier out there is not original, so they don't have it yet. They have not made it yet. So that's all I have to say about this Go 24. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.